Hello, this is John Locke, and today I want to answer a question that I get a lot of the time, which is why do rankings fluctuate and what causes it? So a lot of you, especially those of you who may have dabbled in SEO many years ago, probably think of Google rankings like a title belt. If you get to number one, then you're the champ, and somebody has to forcibly take it away from you for you to lose. The truth of the matter is Google's algorithm is continually making adjustments. The engineers at Google make changes to the algorithm several times per day, every single day. They're training up the artificial intelligence component of their algorithm called RankBrain, trying to get it to give the best results possible. So that's a continual thing. Your competitors are always working hard at making improvements, and your customers have a different sensibility as they're exposed to different websites on the web. All the different websites on the web, as they change, show your customers that things have to improve. So if you have a website that's from 2010 and you haven't done a lot of changes to it since then one thing that your customers will notice is after a while it starts to look outdated. It starts to feel outdated because all the other websites that they encounter on the web change and improve over time. And that's one reason why you should too. I want to talk about another reason that rankings fluctuate, and that is that sometimes, especially in local SEO, but not limited to just local SEO, but this is where people notice it a lot of times, is Google will push certain pages to see how they perform. So let's say that you're in the HVAC space in your town, and a new competitor opens their doors and they have a website. Now they might not have as many links, they might not have as good a content, they might not have the best design. There might be a lot of things that don't make that business stand out. They might not have that many reviews, who knows? But Google may choose to push that competitor's website up and see how it performs against the established players and the established results for a specific search, just to see what happens and see if people are satisfied with that. Another thing that people need to know is Google does track the engagement end to end. You'll notice sometimes, especially if you're on a slower internet connection, that when you click a Google result, there is a temporary URL there that is then forwarded to the actual page. And you'll notice it only for like a split microsecond. But there's a temporary URL that appears, not when you hover over it, but only when you click. And Google does have a way of tracking user engagement on a page, regardless of whether they have Google Analytics or not installed on the page. So they can track the engagement from the point that you Google something all the way until you interact with that page. So that is how they determine whether people are satisfied with the results that they're getting. So rank fluctuation happens. There's a million different reasons. Things are not static. Things are not set in stone. So if you work at improving your website, improving your link profile, improving your content, making your design up to date with the times, making things mobile friendly, and giving your customers what they want, making things easy to find, all these things, then you stand a really good chance of, getting back in the hunt and rising back up the ranks. But it's naive to think that, hey, I ranked number 1 5 years ago, I can just set it and forget it and do nothing. Because your competitors are not taking a break. They are not, sitting back, sipping lemonade, and just being satisfied with being not number one. they are improving, and Google makes improvements to their algorithm. So there's a lot of reasons for rank fluctuation. The one thing that I would say is just keep working at it and be consistent. Hope that answers this question. My name is John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO. We're here publishing videos, answering SEO questions every single day for the industrial market. And I would love to see you subscribe. That is all I have for now. Till next time, peace.